Okay, today we're doing relations and functions. This is chapter 2 of your textbook. It's the first two sections. Mostly what we have today is vocabulary. A review domain is all x values. Range means all the y values. A function is any sort of relation where your x or your domain can't repeat. And if it's not a function, we just call it a relation. A one-to-one function is where each x has exactly one unique y, and an onto function is where each y has exactly one x. More vocabulary. A discrete function or relation is a graph made up of points. If it's continuous, it's going to be a line. It doesn't have to be a straight line, it can be a curve. The vertical line test is how you tell if a graph is a function. If a vertical line can be drawn through the graph, only hitting one spot, it is a function. So here's where it hits only one spot. This is a function. This one hits two spots. It's not a function. Independent variable is another way to refer to x. Dependent variable is another way to refer to y. Function notation is another way to write y equals 5x minus 1. You can replace that with the function of x is 5x minus 1. Linear means a straight line. A linear function can be written like this. Nonlinear means not straight. Standard form of an equation. ax plus by equals c. All of them are integers, that's why they're capital letters. They're all integers, and a has to be positive. The x-intercept is where the graph crosses the x-axis. Y will equal 0 there. And the y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis, and x will be 0 there. And that's all your vocabulary. Here's an example of intercepts problems. Find the x and y intercepts of 2x minus 3y plus 8 equals 0. Remember that the x-intercept is where y equals 0. The y-intercept is where x equals 0. I substituted the zeros in where they go, and then just solve for x and solve for y.